We are asked to find the decimal expansion of 25/9 without using long division. Now when we get done with this, you may have a whole new appreciation of long division and how it makes things easier, but we were told to do it this way, so here we go. So the first thing I noticed that we did, I'm going to pull things up from the bottom of the screen, so just hang in there. The first thing that I noticed that we did is that they found within that 25 18/9, and that 18/9, the reason that's helpful is because that can be written as a whole number too. Okay, after you take out the 18/9, you're left with 7/9. So that's the next thing we're looking for. So notice that we know the digits. The ones digit is 2, so we have 2 point, I'm not sure what comes next. So when it gets to 10th, we're looking for an integer m and m plus 1. So m is one of them, and m plus 1 is clearly the next integer that comes. And so 7/9 has to be in between them, right? That's what we have here. And so the next thing we can do is multiply every value by 10. So we're going to clear the fractions. And when we do that, we get a much better looking thing here, which is m is less than 70/9 is less than m plus 1. And then from there, you can clean this up just a little bit. So you end up with 70/9 equal to 63/9 plus 7/9. And then, of course, it's the same deal there. So what you just did is you pulled things apart, right? And so the nice thing about doing that is that 63/9 is equal to 7. So, okay, we just found the 10th place. And you have 7/9 again. So, the 10th digit is 7. And the difference between 7/9 and 7/10 is 7/90. Okay, so then let's go to the hundredths. So notice that in the hundredths we have m over 100, and then it's between that and m plus 1 over 100, because we're all talking about hundredths here. And then you're going to take that, you're going to take the 7/90, and you're going to pop that in between the m over 100 and the m plus 1 over 100. Multiply through by 100 again, clear that fraction, and so you end up with m is less than 70/9 is less than m plus 1. So we're back where we were on this particular problem because we have the same thing that we had up above where we had 70/9. We've done this already. So for this particular problem, it looks like the 7 is going to continue to repeat as a digit, and so that will let us say the decimal expansion of 25/9 is 2.777, repeating forever.